have your LEDs wired up and you have power to the circuits, you can use the BanlanX app to control your Pixel LEDs. You can use the guest login, or you can actually create an account to have slightly more access to some of the features. In the top right hand corner, if you add device, if your receivers have power, they will show up as detected devices. If you click on it, it will then add it and pair as a device. You then go through the lighting parameters, which is to identify the specific pixel light type that is connected. Make sure this is correct, otherwise it will not sync up properly. Once you have done this, you'd go through the colour correction. Essentially just select what colour is being shown on the strip to sync it together and to ensure that it's showing the correct colours. Make sure you are connected to a network and it will configure, and then you're able to use the BanlanX app and all the features to control your Pixel LEDs. You have all your paired devices on the home page. If you can't find it automatically, you can add a receiver and pair manually. You find the device model in the list and try and add it that way.